Recently, Google announced a new form of artificial intelligence called GPT-4 that is very well expected to destroy all competition and help humanity move into a completely new phase of advancement. While robots that can be used to replace humans at work have already been produced, the new variety of AI robots run by GPT-4 is of a totally new level. They come with certain abilities that were previously considered to be impossible. In one case, a robot was made to bring a packet of rice chips from a drawer. The footage recorded showed how, step by step, the machine went to the respective drawer and found the desired packet. To make it a bit difficult for the robot to complete the job, the man grabbed the packet as the robot placed it on the table and returned it back to the drawer. Despite this unexpected hindrance, the robot yet again took out the packet from the drawer and placed it on the table. This was repeated a few times, and every time the robot took out the packet from the drawer. Clearly, the systems were aware of what to do with the job. This is but one side of the AI-trained robots. There is yet another more interesting and, by some measures, a rather terrifying prospect of AI robots. The machine in the last video was made to do a task it was trained to do, but with revolutionary technology like GPT-4, these machines don't even need special training or even a unique input. What does that even mean? Well, most robots do not have a brain like humans and can do something that they are programmed to do. That is the limit of their abilities till new inputs are given. However, if robots are run on GPT-4-like artificial intelligence platforms, they can be made to do any work, including neuro tasks, without any prior knowledge or experience. Now, a pertaining question may be that how is this even possible? How can robots do some activity that they do not know even exists? Well, if these robots are fitted with AI technology like GPT-4, they are introduced to a wide range of activities and information. Basically means that all the information on the web is available for them to use according to their leisure. These robots are designed to work by collaborating with several different visual language inputs. GPT-4 works by transferring knowledge from the recorded text data into an actual robot and making it work accordingly. In the first experiment, the robot was told to bring rice chips, which almost immediately resulted in a lot of reactions. After that, it combines the information garnered by visual feedback to complete the job. In the next step, the robot was told to bring to the front a green star. Now, the robot in the past had never encountered anything called the green star, nor was anything like that programmed in it. So, the basic job of even identifying what a green star actually looks like should have been impossible. Or is it? The robot did not have any problem finding out which object was called the green star and presented it in front of the judge perfectly. This was made possible because of the huge volume of data that is available for these robots that are run on artificial intelligence. With that data, any form of identifications is a rather easy job. But all of these are not without issues of their own. While these robots have managed to do their job perfectly, their reaction time is however very slow. The video, which captured the robot picking rice packets, was actually shown at 4 times speed. While speed continues to be an issue, it is probably because the robot is taking too much time actually understanding the data. Even today, robots have begun replacing humans in factories. In fact, in most Tesla factories, robots have taken up most of the tasks of arranging and fixing car parts. But the main feature of these AI-controlled robots is that they can do any task, even the ones they are not trained or even designed to do. In another job, GPT-4 was shown a picture of 2 basketball teams playing against each other in different team jerseys. It was then asked to find 3 things about the teams in play. Firstly, to name the 2 teams. Secondly, to mention the year when they last won their championship. And lastly, the name of their star player. Now, this GPT-4 engine is neither a software that is specifically designed for basketball, nor did it have any previous interactions with any of the teams of the players. Yet, quite amazingly, the AI system was able to correctly state the names of the 2 teams, white ones for the New York Knicks and the green ones for the Boston Celtics. After that, it managed to provide correct information regarding its star players as well as the year they last won the championship. This feature on its own speaks volumes about the latent untapped abilities of artificial intelligence as a whole and that of GPT-4 in particular. It basically means that you can take any image you can get on the net, run it through the artificial intelligence program, and it will provide you with all the information about it in mere seconds. Yes, that's how fast it actually is. In another test, the GPT-4 was shown a picture of a tray with various donuts and asked about the flavor of the pink donut. Now, the tray had boards informing the flavor of the donuts, and the test was to find out if the artificial intelligence can carry out comprehensions like humans. And quite correctly, the system gave the correct answer: blueberry, as what was written on the board. This clearly showed that GPT-4 was able to understand the human language and derive credible results from it. In another experiment, a picture showing a robot on the verge of falling over was shown. It was then asked what was likely to happen in the near future. Now, this is not a copy and paste answer that GPT-4 will just paste from the internet. This showed a particular incident and asked about the most probable future, which in this case was the robot turning over. The system quite shockingly gave the correct answer: falling over. This is equivalent to the intelligence of the level of humans. Furthermore, it also comes with a face recognition feature. GPT-4 was shown a picture of Kobe Bryant playing basketball and asked to recognize the person in the image. And as you might have guessed it, the answer came out just fine. The new GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than any other artificial intelligence system conceived. Its level of conversation and comprehension is beyond anything that we have ever seen. It can be used to generate, edit, and even iterate with its users on several creative and technical tasks. These tasks include artistic values as well as composing songs, writing screenplays, or even learning the user's writing style and copying it. GPT-4 is also able to understand language details and can seek out tangible results and data from that. It is designed to handle over 25,000 words of text from different languages. This can be used for cases like long-form content creation, extended conversations, and document search and analysis. Want to know even more? In yet another case, the GPT-4 was shown a picture of various things on a kitchen counter and then tasked to do whatever the human desired. It was instructed to make cake batter and also told the list of sequence of the processes. And it performed the task wonderfully. Not only did it provide all of the steps, but also presented them in chronological order. This comes at a time when OpenAI spent over 6 months making GPT-4 a much more safe and more aligned system. It now comes with a lot of installed safety features and is 82% less likely to give results that include disallowed content. It has even outperformed its older version, ChatGPT, by scoring higher approximate percentiles in almost every factual test. The GPT-4 is available for use on the ChatGPT Plus server and as an API to be used for developers to build applications and services.